My name is Chiara Deligia. I'm a communication officer in FAO's nutrition division. The Year of Family Farmers is extremely important for us working on agriculture and nutrition linkages. The world's population is about to reach 9 billion people by 2050, and there will be the need to feed this growing population under the pressures of climate change and degraded natural resources. Currently, about a third of the world's population and up to 80% in sub-Saharan Africa and Asia are fed by smallholders. Smallholders and their families usually live in areas that are climatically and ecologically vulnerable. They have difficulties in accessing infrastructure, services, inputs for agricultural production. So basically, if we manage to empower smallholders and the families through better access to infrastructure, to market linkages, better improved skills, knowledge, and capacities, we will manage to support them as key actors and agents of change in going towards more sustainable food systems, better nutrition, healthy diets, and lasting solutions to hunger. And that's where FAO comes in as a key actor of the UN system in the food and agriculture sector, working in partnerships with governments, other UN sister agencies, the civil society, the private sector, to build resilient local food systems, healthy diets, and lasting solutions to hunger.